How to get free Nitro and Discord. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get free Discord Nitro through safe and legitimate methods. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open Discord and click on the gear icon at the bottom to access user settings. Scroll down to gift inventory to see if you have any free Nitro promotions available. Discord occasionally offers free Nitro trials through events, collaborations, and special promotions. Keep an eye on official Discord announcements and blog posts. Events like Snows Giving or Discord anniversaries where Nitro giveaways are common. Partnered servers and gaming communities that frequently host Nitro giveaways. Many Discord servers, gaming communities, and streamers organize Nitro giveaways. To increase your chances of winning, join trusted partner servers that offer official giveaways. Follow Discord partners and content creators who run Nitro contests. Engage in community events, as some rewards include free Nitro. Several services occasionally bundle free Discord Nitro with their subscriptions. Keep an eye on promotions from. While looking for free Nitro, be cautious of scams and follow these safety tips. Never click on suspicious links or accept Nitro gifts from unknown users. Only redeem Nitro from trusted sources, such as Discord's official website, Microsoft, or partnered gaming services. By following these methods, you can get free Discord Nitro safely without falling for scams. That's all for the video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.